Oyez, oyez, what hideth and shimmers beyond yonder trees? Well, it looks like a really big greenhouse. All kinds of vents and doors. Let's see what we got inside here. It is fully completed. And no, ladies and gentlemen, that is not a bar, although I like where your head's at. That is an 800-gallon aquarium tank for which to put the water in. Isn't that what had them stain that? Does that look nice? But that water, when it's in here throughout the day, will warm up in temperature. And when it cools at night, that water will radiate heat in here. And add to the solar benefits. But it looks pretty amazing. It was pretty nice in here. Completed it in 4 days. Pretty amazing.